Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel AvicYT. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use Chroma Key in Capcut. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you. If you still don't have Capcut Video Editor, you can easily download it in Google Play Store for Android users. I've already downloaded it, so I'm gonna open the app. Okay, let's begin editing by tapping New Project. Then choose the video or image that you will use. I'm going to use image background for my video. Now I'm going to put my green screen video above this background image by tapping Overlay. Okay, then choose your green screen video, then tap Add at the bottom right side. You can adjust and resize your green screen video to your preference. Now, to remove the green screen, the one that is green background, we need to find Chroma Key in the menu at the bottom. Select the color you wish to remove. At this point we're going to remove the green color. So drag the circle to the green color of the video. Okay, so let's drag it here in the green colored background. Then tap the intensity at the bottom menu. This is to remove that green colored background. Then adjust it properly to blend the color into the image background. Adjust it to the right percentage, it should be blended at the image background as you can see. Now, I've already adjusted it to the right blend. You can't even tell that there was a green screen or green background on that video before. Thanks to Chroma Key. Okay, we are done with the first one. I'm going to show you another one, using subscribe button, which content creators are always using for their videos. Same steps as the first one. Put a background image. Then put the green screen video on top of the image, by tapping Overlay at the bottom menu. Then choose the subscribe button green screen video. You can download it in YouTube. If you still don't have it, just choose the non-copyright one. Then tap Add at the bottom. We're now going to remove the green screen or green background by choosing Chroma Key at the bottom menu. Place the color picker, or that circle, in the color that you want to remove. Then tap Intensity at the bottom menu to adjust the intensity of the color. As you can see, we've already removed the green color in the green screen. Then adjust it in your preferred size, or move it in the position where you want it to appear in the video. That's all for today, guys. I hope you learned from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more tutorial videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day.